you only install 3 things on your computer, make it these. Number 1, Bitdefender. Now, I've tested a lot of antivirus platforms. Bitdefender hits that nice sweet spot. It's lightweight, powerful, doesn't bombard you with upsells. It's got fantastic ransomware protection and real-time threat detection. Just install it and forget it. Number 2, Ninite. Setting up a new PC? This one's a lifesaver. Ninite lets you bulk install all of your essential apps like Chrome, VLC, Zoom, 7-Zip, everything without having a bunch of bloatware or having to click next 100 times just to get all of your stuff. It auto updates too, which is a massive time saver. All right, before the final pick, I have an honorable mention for you. Chocolatey. Chocolatey is like the app store your PC never had. It's a package manager that lets you install or update software right from your command line. No clicking through installers or having to hunt for downloads. No website searching at all. Once you try it, setting up new systems or maintaining old ones feels effortless. And this is one I use every day. And my number 1 pick for software that you need to have on your computer, Cybersecurity. Passwords are your first line of defense. And reusing the same one everywhere? That's basically asking for a breach. Now, Keeper is a zero-knowledge password manager, meaning even they can't get your data. It's secure, it's cross-platform, whether it's on your PC, Mac, Android, or iOS device, and it makes strong passwords painless. Want more IT tips that don't suck? Follow for more and stay secure out there.